another episode of Beyond 50 Below. I'm out here in Arctic interior Alaska. Do some experiments, have a little fun, and yeah, not much else to do when it's 50 below before I retreat back into the warm in my apartment. So let's go ahead and check the thermometer real fast. It's I've been holding it in my hand, so I think my body temperature is warming it up just a little bit, but it was about minus 57, minus 58 when I came out here. Go ahead and take a look at that now. So yeah, pretty close to 60 below, but I think my body temperature is warming it up just being closer to this thing, because it was definitely minus 58. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it over on the step here, and while we're doing our experiments, we'll see if it gets a little bit colder. Alright, so my first experiment, I hear people say all the time that, oh, when it's 50 below, you can throw a glass of water in the air and it'll freeze before it hits the ground. We're gonna see if that's true or not. So I've got a glass of water here. I'm being very careful not to spill it on my hand. My hands are already cold enough just being out here, and having any water on them would probably turn them into a block of ice pretty quickly, so I don't want to do that. Alright, so let's just get in a good place where you can see. There's one glass of water that I'm gonna throw in the air. So as you could hear, it definitely hit the ground. It was still wet. It didn't freeze before it hit the ground, but there's definitely a lot of drops of water laying around the ground. Alright, for my last experiment, I've got a pot of boiling water that I just pulled off the stove inside my apartment. I'm going to see if that makes any difference from the glass of water. Wow, quite a difference. You could hear the difference as the boiling water just... See that again. Join us next time for another episode of Beyond 50 Below.